body, my pussy, my ass and my mouth. All it's waiting for your fuck, for your fuck.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E. Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E.
Call me the Mac. Oh, the way that you pop, girl, makes me go crazy. Show me what you got, girl. You can be. Call me the Mac. Oh, the way that you pop, girl, makes me go crazy. Show me what you got, girl. You can be. Call me the Mac. Oh, the way that you pop, girl, makes me go crazy. Show me what you got, girl. You can be my new. Call me the Mac. Oh, the way that you pop, girl, makes me go crazy. Show me what you got, girl. You can be my new. Call me the Mac. Oh, the way that you pop, girl, makes me go crazy. Show me what you got, girl. You can be my new.
Okay, good afternoon. This is 4F1KJA. Now, what I have here is a deployable repeater requested by Delta United 1, Sierra Foxtrot Unicorn, Oldman Albert. Okay. So, this is a Motorola MITREK unit. Okay. And actually, this is not working when Oldman Albert DU1SFU brought it here. We have a problem with this. No one can restore this unit since this is a crystallized type of transceiver. Well, I have already restored it, repaired and restored the RX and the 3X, and actually there is a confusion with the reassignment of frequency because they put the RX frequency on for too many modulators on that assigned frequency. So I interchanged it, and at the same time I changed the frequency of the crystal so that there will be another for a new frequency of this Motorola unit. Okay, what I done this for a deployable, I put a steel aluminum bracket of a military backpack, and then later on, after this, we will put some strap so that they can carry it as a backpack. So that is initially the construction of that. Okay, there's the power cord. Actually, that is not the proper way to put a power cord. It should be here. But since it was already given when it gave it to me, so we better utilize that position. So that is what I did on the military bracket. Okay, military backpack, steel frame. Okay, that's it. Okay, so later on we will just have to go to tailored some strap so that anybody can solder it up and then carry that deployable repeater to anywhere they wanted to install it for any emergency or calamities or any disaster it may come. So later on we will utilize some solar system for this, and we will put a solar system on the spark to cover up this Motorola repeater and to position that upright on the sun, and then they will just have to connect it to the battery, and at the same time there will be a regulator for the solar system so that there will be a regulation of 13.8 for this unit. So right now this is now the TX and this is the RX, since I just put a rubber duck for the RX to test this unit if this is working properly, and at the same time there's a dummy load to show you the output power of this unit. Actually, this unit has a high power that can transmit into 100 watts, but since we have already converted this to repeater, we should reduce the power into 5 watts so that anytime for deployable system, you should not consume more power for that, because during calamities or any disaster we have to save some current from the battery. So we have to reduce it to 5 watts, and so that there will be a longer usage for this unit, since It has a solar system. It will charge the battery when the sun come up. Okay, so what I have here is a portable baupeng just to test that unit, but I'm not going to show you the frequency right now. We cannot change it just like a synthesized type of unit. So we have to make it a confidential for DU1SFU, and I hope in times of calamities you can talk to DU1SFU for a request for some deployable unit repeater for any region you wanted to install it for ASAP. Okay, and this will be a good advantage for the national telecommunication if they want to utilize all ham radio operator to operate or to deploy any available repeater system in times of calamities. So here's it. We will going to test it. So first we'll show you the indicator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a very large feedback on that. We have to reduce the monitoring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have some more increase on the monitoring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now that is the quality. So mamaya bubulong tayo. Okay. First of all, we'll try to check the power output of that unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a 5 watts power output. The settings of 20 watts to the SX1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Test mic, test. Okay. Actually, the settings of that volume control of the monitoring is 11 o'clock. So we will try to reduce it to 10 o'clock so that we to eliminate feedback. So, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now you can see that the deployable repeater of DU1SFU, Allman Albert of ALPHATECH are now properly working. So if you have any comment or suggestion or inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact 4F1KJA on my official website www.4f1kja.com. And 73 to all. 4F1KJA signing off. 73.